guys, good evening. In this quarantine hack number 3, I'm going to teach you how to color your hair. My hair doesn't need color, so I've roped in my son. So before doing all that, let's go back to the color. Here is what the colors are made of. Can you see? It's one is black, then we go to 3, that is dark brown, then we come 5, which is like medium brown, and so as we go down, number 10 is no color, which is almost, here is showing blonde, but it is actually white. So that is what the hair color is all about. Most of us Indians, North Indians, have this color, this number 3 and number 4. This is our base color. So when you go to buy a product in the market, like maybe Excellence Cream or L'Oreal Excellence Cream, you will first go and look for maybe a medium brown and or a medium burgundy, medium red, things like that. But you will always have to see your base color, whatever it is. Maybe it is 3, 4 or 5, and the number will be written on the packs. It'll be written on the packs. It'll be like maybe 5 stroke something, maybe 5, 6 or 4 stroke 3. So just forget the end, but just pay attention to the 4 or 5 or 3 that is written. It's a universal language for hair color. From 1 to 0, 1 means black and 10 means no color, and that is where our work begins. Now when you have to touch up your hair, you will have to choose a pack, and the pack will have 2 products mostly. One is the cream and one will be the neutralizer. So in the market, in your little pack that you buy, maybe Vela or even Lakme Color Mate or Garnier, whatever, you'll find 2 things. It'll be like a small bottle and you'll find a tube, and it'll always be like a bottle, and they say that you mix both the products and then you can just shake it and use the whole product on your hair. And a lot of instructions are written over there, and just follow that. And you'll also find a pair of gloves. Gloves are important. Otherwise, like, what could you use? You could use maybe a small plastic and put 2 rubber bands here and then use it so that your hands don't get dirty. And in case the color comes, then just be careful that you wash it off, otherwise they have chemical reactions. So here is my son. He has colored his hair silver, so he's got gray hair, but I can't color his hair again. So I am going to show you how to color your hair, but I'm going to use a spa product for him, so that he agreed to be my model. Thank you, Jason.
No problem.
Yeah, and so I don't have any gray hair, so I can't do it for myself. So I'll just try and show you like how I would do my hair color, and you can take it from there. Okay, so let me put this aside. Okay, you will need a brush. Now if a lot of you don't have brushes, use a toothbrush, okay, or go to your kitchen and probably find something that will be there. Okay, and a tail comb comes in handy. If it is not there, then use a normal comb, and you'll need a clip. If you don't, then probably you can just take any clutch that is there in the kitchen or whatever, just to hold the hair, or I'll try that you don't need this at all. So I'm going to take out some spa cream for him. Mix your color. Yeah, that's my color. Mix it well. If it is in a bottle, shake it well. If you want to use half and half, which is not a good idea with a pack, so then you need to make sure that you mix it in a plastic bowl, or if you're using a toothbrush, you need to mix it in a plastic or bone china material, and then use your toothbrush. If you're using the toothbrush, then you need a flat surface. It's difficult to go in there and use it. So here, take both the colors and really shake it hard and mix it well. Okay, now when you have it, yeah, I'm going to take out some here so that you can see both the things, how I'm going to be doing it. So now we come here. Rajiv, come stand here so you can see this. Now if you have to color your grey hair, first go comb your hair out. If you have long hair for ladies, and if you just want to do a little touch up here and in maybe wherever your parting is, so you can tie all your hair back, you know, nicely, and in the parting that you want, probably like this, go tie everything back, and then just use the color here, 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 like this, okay, like this, and just leave the rest of it. So that is a small time and thing that you can do, so that, you know, at least you look good for yourself. It doesn't matter how anyone else thinks about you. You could also go without color and give your hair a rest, but I know that, you know, when we see ourselves without, you know, like how we used to look, it does put you down. Yesterday was a very depressing day. Today I was better. I got up and I put some lipstick and a little kajal, and I'm feeling better. So here, so just take out your parting. That's how you would do it. Just take the color. Jason, can you hold this bowl here? Yeah. Just take the color here. Take a little bit. You know, take out excess, and then you just have to put it in 1/2 inch, like this. Don't go putting it all over like this. If I have to do it for myself, then I'll just go and do it like this. Okay. Now, after this, okay, now if you are using this, then, you know, you just go gently, pull this hair out, brush it out, okay, stick it, so you have your other section. And so I'll just use this. Yeah, go and put it like this. You will have to go flat again and again, use it here, use it like this. Don't go beyond wherever your hair does not need color. वहीं पे लगाइए जहाँ पे आपके ग्रे हेयर हैं. Be gentle, बहुत ज़ोर से नहीं करना, otherwise the color will come out. Go gently. Turn it and take out a section again. Here, comb it. So you have another section. Take the color again and go gently, putting it all over. Yeah, again, just a little section. Use your hands, pressing it out, and do it. Remember how, you know, the people in the salon do it, like how we do it. Can you put your head up, Jason, a little bit? Yeah. Try and be neat. I never thought that I'll be, you know, going and teaching all these things online, but, you know, it's nice to be a little contribution in this. Rajiv, zoom in so that, yeah, keep on sticking your hair like this. Are you alright, Jason?
Yeah, I guess.
Thank you. He was hesitant, but he's being a sweet guy because I cooked some nice food. Do I?
Yeah. When it suits you.
No, Norris, I'm cooking every day. Here. Okay. So once this is done, just take your comb. Okay, now comb it very gently, only in the roots. Don't go and comb all over your hair, because in case your hair is colored, it'll, you know, become dark. And also, you know, putting color where it's not needed dries your hair out, and then everyone says color करने से हमारे बाल खराब हो जाते हैं, which is not true. Just go and very slightly flat, not like this, flat. Here, go touch it out. So now you'll have all your gray hair here. So you go in, take some more product and go touching like this. Rajiv, come close so people can see. Here. You will also be able to see it cleanly. And go here. I can't see what I'm doing. I hope it is looking alright, Rajiv. Yeah, go close to the mirror and do it here. If you put something, just wipe it off on your scalp. Remember, if you've never touched color, it is better that you don't color your hair right now, because you need to do a skin test for that. but if you have been doing it, then you can do this. Here. Oops, I dropped something, so that's why it's a good idea to put an old towel or wear old clothes to do it. Here. Here. Just do it. And now we need to give the heat. You can do it likewise. Ask somebody else to help you from the back, or otherwise you can just do it from a ear to ear section. Take out long partings and just do that. Ask somebody to put it a little bit at the back, and the rest you can just leave. For the hair that is on the back, you can just turn this side, Jason. If you have long hair and your hair is just tie it up, and then you can take your brush and just put the color like this all over. Ask somebody to help you out at the back if you have too much gray. For men, you can you have short hair, and you can just go and massage the whole thing on your head, and you don't need to bother because your hair is cut all the time. For women, you do not go and put color everywhere. Now after this, you will need a shower cap to put over this, because it helps the process go smoother. Because if you are not if there's too much cold air, the process will take time. Read the instructions. Some color says 20 minutes, so means 20 minutes after application. After you put your last brush, you have to time it for 20 minutes. Some will say 35 minutes. So the ones that say 35 minutes, I like to wait 40 minutes, and then the color is good. So let's just go and give this guy a little good massage. And so I'm just going to help this guy out and do his spa. Remember, if you have such intense color like he has, I saw my boy looking Buddha from now only.
What?
But, well, that's the in color, Jason. But unfortunately, not many have seen it, and he's gone and shocked his friends. What were the reactions, Jason?
Well, they were shocked at first, but I think they learned to live with it.
And do any of them want to have it, get it done?
A couple already actually have it naturally, so I was actually copying them.
Oh, that's Ankit, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah. So what did he have to say? Was he
no,
happy?
he liked it. He said if he knew before the lockdown, if the lockdown was going to happen, he'd also go and color his hair and stay in lockdown.
Well, he can, he sneaks into our house without you telling me, and he is most welcome. And he can grow his hair, and he looks nice with his gray hair. Young guys, I'm sure all the girls are crazy about.
No.
No? And with you coloring your hair, the girls will think you're old, man. You're already a big guy. Okay. So for being my model, anyone who wants to do a spa at home, and if you have the cream, just do this. If you have very dry hair, take conditioner, a home remedy, and you can mix some glycerine. I don't know if you'll have it. And otherwise in the conditioner, I don't like egg personally. You can mix the egg white. You can take some aloe vera from the garden and just massage your scalp with your fingertips. It should always be circular motions. Be gentle with your hair. It does not need to be pulled or tagged or anything. And go massage it. Massaging is important because it gets the blood circulation running, just like when you exercise or you do yoga, or when you deep breathe, the oxygen reaches many parts of your pores, and they open out and they scream, oh, thank you Lord for the oxygen, and then you have good hair. So take good care, and that's what a spa is important for, especially in the country that we live with so much pollution. It is very, very nice. If you have longer hair, you have to go and do this. Ladies, this is for you. Take big chunks. If this is just a spa thing, just by chance, leave it for 15-20 minutes and massage. Enjoy, Jason.
Thank you.
I wish you would cut your beard, but do you want it to be a foot long? You look like a caveman. I've been cutting his hair since he was born, and 3 years ago I said, okay, now get lost.
10 years ago.
No, 3 years ago, Jason. You've forgotten. I was cutting your hair when you were in college and everything. It's not 10 years, and I got fed up because whenever I would cut his hair, all that hair would get stuck here and here, and that's when I stopped doing men's hair. But otherwise I'm trained, but today I'm going to give him a haircut. Yeah. After you've done this, massage it for 15 minutes. You know, should put some on your beard, Jason. It's so hard. I've
No.
told him to sit quietly. Okay, if you have beard, you need to take care. Oh my god.
I feel violated. Don't touch it.
Violated? I'm just your mommy.
Don't touch my beard, anyone. It's like,
Why? Are you
Oh.
sensitive? Okay. Here. Now keep it. If this is a spa routine, take a towel, a nice hot warm towel, put it in the water, squeeze it out and steam it. You can have some love sharing it with your partners, maybe doing it for your husbands who will love it. Or if you're overworked, ask the husbands to do this. Husbands, brothers, give your women a rest. They are overworked. And also wash your plates. My son does. Jason, you wash your plates, right? I'm so proud of you.
Other bartan also. Yours as well.
No, okay, that is because I cook the food.
Unpaid labor.
And what about me? I'm the maid. I love being the maid though. After a long time, in 24 years time. Okay. So now this is done and we'll come back. See you. Jason, for being my model, his hair is nice and soft, though it is still silver, you know, which he wanted. So I'm going to cut his hair now.
How will you cut it?
I'm cutting it like this, yeah. I'm just trimming it, Jason. Whatever you can do for now. Don't make faces, huh? I saw so many faces.
But aren't you going to like give it some
I'm going to...
radical?
No radical makeover in this time. I'm just going to make it a little neater. Okay. We can use the clipper for this later on. Which is your party? This? Is this your
Yeah,
party?
either way, both I like actually.
So I'm just neatening up the fronts a little bit.
But when the color was done, it was done left to right.
It doesn't matter. Left to right? Okay, yeah. That's usually where the hair goes. A lot of people think I'm just a makeup artist, but I know everything that happens in my salon, right from head to toe. And so when the brides come in, I have a suggestion. If they come in earlier, I tell them what they can do, and the end result is really good. That they have vibrant skins. If you want to have good skin, make sure that you have water, hydrate yourself. It also hydrates your hair, because hair, once it grows, is lifeless and you do have trouble with it. So drink those 3 liters of water, stay away from too much of caffeine, have a limit. Okay, now this is done. So now I'm going to just take this in the front. And how do you want it? I'm just going to make this shorter. After a color, you always need to have a trim, which we didn't do. And this is long overdue.
Okay.
It's long, yeah. Peachy peachy. Okay, done. Okay, so now I'm going to take my diagonal sections now. And I'm going to just pick this hair straight up. The other day, Rajiv tried to cut his own hair.
I also contributed a little
And
bit.
Jason did the back hair, and ultimately I got a call. Didi, please mere baal theek kar do. So I was telling him that I would cut it, but he thought that he's this big time hairstylist, who can do this, and he messed up his hair. And then I came, and thank God I was there to do it for him. Women who are a little talented, please help your guys if you can. Pick up some things and just, probably just take the hair in the front and cut it straight so that it's not falling there. Or give them your hair bands to apply. Fun times. Guys, grow your hair. This is a lucky chap. Are you, Jason? Okay, now he wants his hair this side, so I'm just going to blend this in. Yeah, pose.
He shot quite a lot, yeah.
Yeah. Shooting is easy. But, okay. Here comes my favorite Jason, long time. How many people, hairstylists, that you go to do this?
ये तो कोई भी नहीं करता अभी भी.
Yeah. Why? I wonder. It gives a nice chunk. I can give all the male hairstylists a run for their money. Still, I guess. Am I pulling your hair?
No, little bit, but no.
Rajiv, does that look nice?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now what do I do for this? I think I should
Trim कर देते हैं.
Should I trim this?
No.
Eh?
Well,
हाँ जैसन